Witness the future as an advanced AI robot, utilizing cutting-edge hologram techniques, illustrates the profound transformation from outdated analog IT technology to new, high-tech digital solutions. Our company provides comprehensive solutions and services specifically designed to assist your business with this essential digital transformation journey. We offer a wide range of IT support, including expert desktop and laptop assistance, robust network cabling, and reliable network support to keep your operations seamless. Additionally, we provide flexible freelance administrative support, foundational computer basics, and essential hardware and software guidance. Master crucial mouse and keyboard skills and gain proficiency in the entire Microsoft Office suite, including Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Beyond software, we specialize in PDF editing and creative multimedia creations, from distinctive logos and eye-catching flyers to professional business cards and dynamic multimedia scenes. We also help enhance your digital presence with effective YouTube and Google Maps listings, ensuring your business is easily discoverable. You can find us on most social media platforms. Choose us for fast turnaround, 100% remote and flexible services delivered by experienced and trustworthy professionals. Contact us today at 0847056344 to explore our comprehensive offerings and tailored solutions. Our exceptional service offerings are now readily available throughout South Africa.